fish head recipe. No fishing. Sorry guys, we didn't go fishing today, but we are on like our 45th of 50 recipes for our upcoming cookbook. Today we're making Salisbury steak. I know you've all had frozen TV dinner Salisbury steak. I'll admit it's delicious. I love it. But we're gonna make homemade Salisbury steak and it's gonna be so much better. Watch this, guys. You just want to chop the ends off the asparagus. You don't have to do this, but if you don't, the ends of the asparagus are kind of like hard and woody. We only want the nice, sweet, tender parts. Throw a little bit of olive oil on the asparagus, and then we'll season them up. They'll be ready to put in the oven. Pink salt, crushed black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. So obviously the main ingredient for Salisbury steak is steak. We're going to use cubed steak. It's not that expensive. You can actually make more for the price of buying the frozen ones at Walmart, which is awesome. So we're making cubed steak Salisbury steaks, guys. Guys, if you watched our last video with all the kayaking at the river, you did not see the damage that my thumb took from that. Got a huge blister and now it's broken. Wore myself out on that kayak. A fly on my thumb? What? That's crazy. Really depends on how many you're gonna do, but we're doing a bunch of them, so one whole stick of butter. Give the cubed steak just a little bit of a coating: flour, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Drop it in the oil. It's actually not oil, it's butter. 5 minutes on each side. Ooh, look at that. Browning up nicely. All right, first batch is coming out. Those look amazing. But they're nowhere near done. They still have to cook for 2 hours in the oven after this. That's what makes them super tender. Sliced onions in there and some mushrooms. Let those get all delicious. Onions, mushrooms, butter, and the flavor from the steak all in the same pot. The Salisbury gravy is what makes all the difference. 1/3 cup of the flour that we use to bread the steaks with. A little bit of Worcestershire in there. 4 cups of beef broth. Just a little bit at a time. And then you reduce it. How does that smell, dude? How does it smell? All right, now we add the steaks to the gravy, and then they just stay in the oven for a good long time. They're gonna be in there for 2 hours. In the oven you go. We'll see you in 2 hours. Since we have gravy already, why not do mashed potatoes and gravy with the Salisbury steak? The Salisbury is done. Taste test time. Oh yeah. Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes, and asparagus. Look at that. Oh yeah, so good. Ooh, that's good. Woo! Another successful recipe. If you guys want to see us cook anything else, any suggestions for videos, go ahead and comment below. If you want to see more videos of recipes that we do, cooking, fishing, camping, all the cool stuff that we do, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We got a lot more coming up real soon. We got a couple different projects we're working on. But thank you so much for watching this video and all of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.